September 18th, 2026 marks the biggest event of the year, EcoFest 2026. You will personally witness the latest achievements in string transportation and be among the first to learn about the group's future development plans. The road to this event is our summer marathon. Stage 1 is behind us, but July and August are still in full swing. The conditions are becoming even more exciting, and the bonuses are getting even bigger. The basic rule is simple. Any new package purchase or payment on an existing installment plan made during the current stage counts toward qualification. Your partner's registration date doesn't matter. And most importantly, results reset every month. Didn't maximize your rewards in July? Do it in August. You can earn the bonuses again in every stage. How do you claim your prizes? Let's break it down. Requirement 1. Your personal purchase plus a package purchase by at least one first-line partner. Meet it, and you're entered into the online prize draw for valuable packages and share certificates. Requirement 2. 3 partners in your first line make any package purchase during the current stage. Your reward is a 20% referral bonus from your first line until the end of the year. Requirement 3. Reach a total sales volume of $3,000. You can achieve it in any combination you prefer, through your own purchases made by your first-line team, or a combination of both. Your reward is a package at a 1 to 600 discount. Now here's where it gets exciting then. First super combination. Meet both Requirement 1 and Requirement 2, and you'll guarantee your invitation to EcoFest, plus take part in an exclusive offline prize draw held right at the festival. And if you meet all 3 requirements, welcome to the VIP League. You'll be entered into the prize draw on the main stage, where you could win a personal meeting with unitsky and other valuable prizes. An important clarification. Purchasing an EcoFest 2026 loyalty package gives you the right to attend EcoFest and participate in the festival program, but it does not include entry into the prize draws. Want to compete for prizes? Meet the marathon conditions. And finally, an offer for the most ambitious. Meet the special sales volume requirement within your organization and earn your place on the exclusive guided tour or the VIP tour. Full immersion. But be quick. Availability is extremely limited. There are only 80 places on the exclusive tour and just 40 places on the VIP tour. The fastest participants will claim them. Be sure to confirm your participation in your personal account, no later than August 10. EcoFest 2026 is more than just an event. It is your chance to experience the technologies of the future firsthand, alongside like-minded people. Log into your personal account now, check your progress, and claim every bonus available to you. Follow the link in the description to get more detailed information. We look forward to seeing you at EcoFest 2026.